In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in GoToMeeting. Whether you're using it for business discussions, educational purposes, or personal projects, knowing how to record your meetings is essential for capturing those important moments, reviewing discussions later, or sharing content with others who couldn't attend. Let's dive right into the process. First, once you're inside a GoToMeeting session, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the recording option. Spotting this might take a moment if you're new to the platform, but once you know where to look, it's right there at your fingertips. This convenient placement ensures that starting a recording doesn't interrupt the flow of your meeting. When you're ready to begin capturing your meeting, simply click the recording button. It should be intuitive and easy to spot once you've familiarized yourself with the interface. After you click, make sure to check for a recording indicator. This is a small visual confirmation that your session is indeed being recorded. It's always a good idea to double check this indicator to ensure everything is being properly captured, as technology can sometimes be a little finicky. Should you need to take a brief break or pause the recording for any reason, this process is equally straightforward. Just click the recording button again. You'll notice the indicator will adjust accordingly, reflecting that the recording is paused. This feature is incredibly useful if, for instance, there's a moment in the meeting that doesn't need to be recorded, or you simply want to take a quick recess without capturing unnecessary content. Once you're ready to resume recording, another click on the same recording button will do the trick. It's as simple as that. This functionality adds flexibility to your recording process, allowing you to manage what gets saved effortlessly. When your meeting comes to an end, GoToMeeting conveniently takes over and automatically saves your recording. This seamless process means you don't have to worry about remembering to save manually, which is one less task to think about after a long meeting. Your recorded file will be stored in your computer's default GoToMeeting recordings folder. Typically, this will be in a location designated by your system, and it should be easy to find using your File Explorer. Remember to regularly back up your recordings to prevent any potential data loss. It's also helpful to organize your recordings into folders by date or topic for easy retrieval later on. And there you have it, everything you need to know to successfully record your meetings on GoToMeeting. I hope these steps make your experience smooth and straightforward.